Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brendan and today we're making an incredible Chipotle Mayo sauce with a one uncommon ingredient. And today I'm revealing all my secrets on how to make a flavor-packed sauce. So let's get right into it. Before we start roasting our garlic, see this green/yellow stem you have there? That's what gives garlic its harsh, spicy taste that most people that hate garlic say. So what we're going to do, you're going to cut a slit open like so, and you're going to remove that stem, and now you have a garlic that won't taste as harsh. Now that we de-rooted our onion and de-stemmed our garlic, we're going to be putting it on a sheet of foil. And what I'm going to do next is that we're going to add a drizzle of olive oil and a little pinch of salt. And we're going to pop this in the oven for 400 degrees for about 15 to 30 minutes. For this next part, we're going to squeeze half a lemon into a bowl. And I'm going to use this little strainer to catch all the seeds. I know some people use the lemon and they squeeze it with their hands, with the flesh facing their hands like this. But I'm of the mindset of being a little safer because, you know, you never know if you have cuts on your hands, and that lemon juice, when it gets on your hands, oh man, it burns. And it does not feel good, so I'd rather be safe. Then we're going to add about 2 cups of mayo. Just scrape all of that down. We're going to add some smoked paprika. And then we're going to add some cayenne pepper. Next, we'll add some Ancho chili pepper. And those spices are so beautiful. And they all hit on a different level as well, giving it a different flavor. After that, we have our Chipotle peppers. And I got the canned one. Just gonna put that all in there. And this sauce is extremely flavorful, and it packs a punch too. Now for my secret ingredient, we have the Thai chili pepper. And what I'm going to do, we're going to cut a small portion of it. And you see that? That's all we're going to need. Because this packs a lot of flavor and it packs quite a kick. This is my other secret ingredient. It's honey. And this gives it that sweetness that balances it out, especially with all the spices that we've added so far. And this is really going to help tone it down while keeping its pepper flavors. This is honestly the perfect balance between sweet, sour, creamy, and this touch of honey really brightens it. Now to check on our garlic, and this is the moment of truth. We're going to cut the top off the foil so it makes it easier to open. And like so. And it's extremely hot, so be extra careful. Me being a brave soul, I'm going to open it with my bare hands. Ooh, I can feel that steam already. And now we have the sweet, sweet onion. And we have our, oh yeah, our beautiful roasted garlic. Look at that golden roasted garlic and that translucent onion. That's how you know the flavors are going to be extra sweet and it's going to give your sauce depth. So next time you want to use onions or garlic in a soup or like a pasta sauce or any kind of sauce for that matter, roast your onions and garlic and you will not be sorry. You'll thank me later. So now we're ready to put everything into the sauce. We're gonna take this whole entire onion, we're just gonna drop it in. Because we're gonna blend it, we didn't bother cutting it. And now we're gonna put this garlic in. Oh, such a delicacy. You know what? This is a killer move. We're gonna add that olive oil, a little bit of that olive oil to the sauce as well, because it has all that onion and garlic infused in it, and you don't want to leave any of the flavor out of it. Let's just take a quick look and appreciate all the flavors and all the ingredients we put in so far. That's beautiful. That's the making of a great sauce. This is the moment of truth, and here we blend. It's going to be a little noisy, so you might hear some background music instead here. As we let the sauce blend, I want to ask you a question. What's your favorite food? And why is that your favorite food? So comment that down below. Because my mission here on YouTube is to help find you a new favorite cuisine or a new favorite flavor. Because I believe the world is a beautiful place to see, but even a greater place to taste. So here on this YouTube channel, you're going to be seeing lots of good food and many ways to enjoy new flavors. Thanks for watching, so remember to like, comment, subscribe for recipes every week. Bye!